guess in the CAST group we have identified a number of projects kind of that we need to know this stuff. And for example, the ARIS project, or Adaptive Resolution Imaging Sonar, what it's short of, I think it's a neat idea that we can use technology and actually, instead of trying to estimate and ballpark how many salmon we might have in a river, that we could actually quite accurately, we think, count them, and not only count them, but then also give the size. And what is even better, if it works the way we envision, is that we have this data immediately, that we don't have to post-process and then tell in December that, well, boy, only so few salmon came up. If we only knew this when we could have acted on, and now we do have the count of yesterday. We'll have the next day, and we say, well, only so few fish are coming back. So the opportunity is there to make management plan as we go and within the season. And I think that's pretty great idea if we can make it happen. Of course, it won't be as easy as said and done. There's a number of things we do have to figure out, how to differentiate between the species and that sort of thing. But we at the university, we could try to figure it out if it works that way.
Counting fish is tough in the best of times. You have a traditional counting fence where you have to trap the fish, you pick them up physically, put them over, and let them swim upstream. The problem with that is in high water you can lose your counts because the water will go over the fence, fish will escape. The nice thing about the ARIS sonar system is it counts fish in high water, it counts them at night with no handling of the fish, which is really important, especially in hot weather. You don't want to stress the fish. So it's a new piece of equipment that we've sort of tried in our Juniper district, and we have data on that we are sharing with UNB, and they're going to be working on that to see how many fish came up and the lengths and species of this particular section of river. So this is a shot from the ARIS camera we had installed in the north branch of the Miramichi at Juniper in 2015. And it's interesting because the camera is down here at the bottom of the screen. It's shooting across the river, and because there's a known distance from the camera, you can actually calculate out the length of the fish on the screen. So there's a software program. You see this fish swimming across right here, the shadow of it. You can actually stop that, put a click on its tail and its nose, and it will give you the length of the fish in centimeters, which is great. No handling of the fish. It works day and night for as long as the camera's in the river. And it's a vast improvement in the technology of fish counting.